Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about questions and answers using yes and no. Some questions need either a yes answer or a no answer. Here two pictures are there and both the pictures are same, but the question is different. The first question is this a tree? The second question is this a tiger? For first question, we will write yes. Yes, it is a tree. For the second question, it is not a tiger. We will write no, it is not a tiger. Is this a tree? Yes, it is a tree. Is this a tiger? No, it is not a tiger. It is a tree. Here are some more examples. Is this a top? Yes, it is a top. Is this an apple? Yes, it is an apple. Is this a horse? No, it is not a horse. It is a cow. Is this your book? No, it is not my book. It is Mira's book. Is this a dog? Yes, it is a dog. Is this Mohan's pencil? No, it is not Mohan's pencil. It is Tansy's pencil. Now we'll do activity. Fill in the blanks with yes and no. Here the pictures are a cup, a top, a cake. The first question is this a cup? Yes, it is a cup. Here we can see the picture of a cup. Yes, it is a cup. Second, is this a mat? Here, this is not a mat. We will write no, it is not a mat. It is a tub. Third question is this a cake? Yes, we can see the cake. Yes, it is a cake.